Hi, I'm Tom from Deliberately. I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through how to get started with Deliberately. First up, when you log in, I wanted to bring your attention to the small blue circle here on the lower right-hand side. This is how you can contact our support team if you ever have any questions or get stuck, as well as access our knowledge base. Next up, as you're on this homepage, you can take a look at the recent updates to your matters and cases, and they'll all be listed here to help you organize your day. Every new account comes set up with the Sarah Johnson demo case. As I click into that, you'll see that there are case tools on the left or matter tools on the left. First up is the summary. And all these are really built upon all the information that Dell, the AI assistant, has collected, as well as all the case files or matter files that have been provided. So there's the case summary, there's the intake report. So these are ultimately all the questions you're seeking to have answers to, as well as the underlying documents that may be required depending on the nature of the matter. You can click on set reminder if there's a specific question you don't have an answer to yet that you need to, and then that will send your client a message. Um, and then also case narratives or matter narratives is a summary, again, a different type of summary of the case from Sarah's perspective in this situation for a family law case and Michael's perspective as well. So it can be really helpful when trying to managing many cases and going into a client meeting and want to understand better the nature of the issue and what's been going on so far. Next up, I want to bring your attention to the case files here. So here in this situation, the client, Sarah Johnson, has uploaded a bunch of files. And again, this is all synthesized by the AI and goes into those case summaries that we looked at a moment ago. And what we do as well, if you click on one of these files that have been uploaded, is we provide a summary of the document. So if there's something particular you're looking at, you can read a short summary here to see if it's worthwhile to dig in deeper, which can be very helpful, particularly with longer documents. Next up, I think it's helpful to view as a client. So this is really where the power of Deliberately lies, or one of its many powers, I should say. So if I click on View as Client, I can click on Discuss with Dell. And this is how, again, your client interacts with Deliberately and with you. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whenever your client has time, they can answer questions, natural language questions, and really help make sure that you have all the information you need to keep moving that case, that matter forward without any delays and without as much overhead for you and your team. Hope this overview helps. And if you have any questions, again, just use that blue circle in the lower right-hand corner and we're happy to help. Thanks so much.